Okay, samahan niyo ako guys. Kuha tayo ng last Friday nagkuha ako ng eggs. So, tingnan natin kung dalawa last Friday, ngayon tingnan natin kung ilan ang nila binigay sa atin. So, punta natin ang bahay ng manok. Kung meron bang makuha natin eggs. Let's go for eggs. Eggs is life. Hindi mangyaring walang eggs tayo. Kailangan natin ng eggs. Ayan. Uy, ba't? Eggs is life. Ayan, naghihintay ng pagkain, oh. Ayan, ayan. Dalawang roaster dito. Dalawang roaster. Roaster. So, you stay here. You don't go out. Okay? You just stay here. Bakit kayo dyan? Wala. Did you give us eggs? Is there many eggs? Lolo, kidenta na. Ha? Kita niyo yan? Oh. Pag ganyan yan, may eggs yan. Ha? Gabugdo. Gabugdo. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Ayan. Eggs yan. Oh, parang busog. Okay, we can go to our small chicken house. Ibang side dito, madumi. Mga chismosa ning oh, mapasok man siya. Pambihira tong manuka to. Teka. Open da. So, I want to know how much eggs do you give us, okay? Show me your eggs. So, ayan. Pasok tayo. Bakit tayo pumasok? I just want your eggs. Nothing here? So, andito. Ito eggs nila. We have 6 eggs. So, we got 6 eggs for today. Ang dumi dito. Maglilinis naman tayo ulit ito. I'm happy. Thank you for giving us eggs. We have 6 eggs for 2 days. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, yeah. For these eggs. Okay. Ay, ang sarap magkaroon ng eggs, di ba? Sa magandang panahon. Dito sa lugar namin. Ang lugar naming Alis! Thank you for your eggs. You have been feed well. Feed well. Dagko na rabay lang ng itlog ba? Big eggs. I think this is from the oh, diba? Sarap, no? 2 days. Last Friday, we're on Sunday. So they give us 6 eggs. See you next time. Thank you so much. Look at your food. You have 2. Look at that. You have so much food there. You see? What are you looking more? Huh? Rice? Vegetables? Okay. Next 2 days na naman, I can get more eggs from you. Ooh, lala. Bye-bye.